I recently made this kind of logo for my client, and I thought why not to make it for my brand as well. On your design, go to Elements and search for Cube. I will select this one. We need to set as base for our design. Go to Apps section and search for Typecraft. Write your text and select font. I will select this font for my design. First, you need to reshape the letter into square. Drag the position to adjust. Now go to Edit Shape and first adjust the letter according to Cube A. Let me change the font color. Select Add to Element so update it. Let me quickly change background color as well. To adjust the position, simply go to Letter and start adjusting the edges with the square of the cube. But before that, let me quickly duplicate it. Now let's start to edit. Remember guys, you need to do readjust multiples time to perfect it. It's time for letter C. Let's adjust it. Do the same for third element as well. Finally, go to Layers and delete the cube to get this effect.